hair extensions for the top of your hair? We all know that all hair extensions cannot make your hair fuller on top, just the bottom. Although now there's an advanced technology called the MicroStrand technology. Look at this. One human hair at a time will be fed onto this invisible microstrand. That looks like this. One of many examples of the microstrand, after one human hair at a time, has been added onto it. When you blend this in between your own hair, it'll disappear. Look at this video and notice how you see nothing. It's purely natural. That's the MicroStrand technology, the way to make your hair fuller using your own hair and keeping your own hair safe and growing freely.